Hi everyone! If you're watching this video, it seems as though you've decided to tackle the Genius Hour project. Now, the first step of this project is researching, and you'll be able to find anything that you need for this step under the researching topic in this classroom. So what do you need to do during this step? The first thing you're going to want to do is underneath this topic is to look for number 1, the Genius Hour research template. Now, this is an assignment that's been assigned to you on this Google Classroom, and you, as well as your peers, have each been assigned an individualized copy of this slide deck. So the changes that you make and the things that you alter within this slide deck will not affect your peers, and vice versa. So if they're doing something, if they're adding text to their slides, it will not change your slides. So if you click on this assignment and open it and visit this slide deck, and we go to the second slide here, it tells you the expectations of the slide deck. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose a topic that you're passionate about or something that you would really like to learn more about. So you also want to make sure that this topic gets approved by your teacher before you continue researching or doing anything else. To find more information on your topic, you're going to want to check out the websites that I provided to you on slide 3. Now you can click over here on the sidebar to get to 3, or you can click this link here. The sites are here. So all of these images are clickable, so you can click these images to take you directly to the sites to learn more about your topic. Going back to our expectation list, using now, once you've done or have kind of traveled through some of these websites, using slides 4 and 5, you'll be able to write down important details and facts about the topic that you want to present. So for example, if I'm writing about, or if I'm choosing to create a project about cats, I'd write my topic up here at the top, and I'd add different facts and various information in the boxes here. I've also given you more charts here that you can add information in. Once you're done with that slide deck and you've gotten it approved by your teacher to continue on, then you'll be able to move to step 2. Going back to our Google Classroom, it's super important that we also take the time to talk about copyrights. Now, and this kind of goes hand in hand with plagiarism too. Now, in 4th grade, we might not know a whole ton about plagiarism or copyright rules and laws just yet, but I've included this little PDF for you that teaches you a little bit more about what's okay and what's not. So what we don't want you to be doing during the Genius Hour project is copying and pasting things directly. That's not what we're doing here. What you want to do is you want to write down important facts and articles and put them in your own words and then display them in a way that's unique to you. So your teacher or your peers, you can review this copyright guide and more in depth if you're unsure of copyright laws and what plagiarism really is. So just something that you want to think about when you're writing down information and facts. Again, once you've completed that slide deck and you've found that you've got the most necessary information that you need to make your project successful, and you've got enough information to cover what you're talking about, you can get it approved by your teacher, and you will then move on to step 2, which is creating.